In this video tutorial, I'm going to guide you on how to get PUK code for Airtel Uganda. Yes, hello guys, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel, BLAIR256. In this video tutorial, I'm going to guide you on how to get PUK code for Airtel Uganda. So as you can see, the user had set the SIM pin, and then he forgot it, and now the default code doesn't work. Says pin error, time remaining. So as you can see, it is blocked. Now it is requesting for the PUK code, as you can see right there. So I'm going to guide you on how to get the Airtel PUK code for Uganda. Okay, so simply follow these steps. You must be with the number of the locked SIM card, the number, okay, and then you grab your phone. You must have an Airtel SIM card within your phone, and then head to your dial pad, and then you dial this code. Star 100 hash, you press call, and then you head to number 7, my account. Then you head to number 1, PUK. Then you have to put the number of the locked phone in order to get the PUK code. So put the number. I had already copied the number, so I'll just have to paste it here. Okay, then click send. Then you'll be able to get the PUK code. Then let us head to our locked phone, which is requesting for the PUK code. As you can see there, you put the PUK code that you see that was provided to you. So let me put the PUK code 225108882, and now enter a new pin. You have to put the default pin that you see there, which is 00. Okay, again put 00 to confirm, and then your phone will be unlocked, as you can see. So that's how you can get the Airtel PUK code for Uganda. So as you can see, now it is unlocked and it is detected right there, Airtel Uganda. So that is how you can get the PUK code. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, BLAIR256. I sign out.